How to fix Discord lag on Android. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Discord and click on it. Now this is the app informations page. As you can see, all what you have to do here is click on this option and then click on the notifications. Make sure that all the notifications are enabled. And now after you make sure that all the notifications are enabled, go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and click on delete, and then click on clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.